Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing and I'm going to go over a few tests with this compressor made by BILT HARD. Right guys, first thing I want to describe some of the features of this compressor. It's at 120 volts, 60 gigahertz, 750 watts. It's a 8 gallons air compressor and also is a 120 psi maximum capacity. And our engine produces 1680 RPM. One of the things that I love about this air compressor is oilless, so you don't have to worry about oil whatsoever. Basically, you don't have to worry about any special kind of maintenance more than drain the air after each use. And also one of the things that I love about this is it produces a little noise, so that's a plus for me, because one of the things that I hate about air compressors is when they are too loud. So um, but for now I'm going to start my unboxing and let's go from there. Right guys, here we have our air compressor. This is are all our accessories, our wheels, air filter, and a little piece of rubber that goes on front of the compressor. Here we got this tag. It says that we should remove a plug that goes on the air filter port. So before plugging in our air filter, we need to remove it. These are our instructions, and as we can see, everything looks pretty easy to understand, and so it's gonna be easier to assemble. So this is our air filter port. So we want to screw in our filter, and then what you want to do is to install this a clear hose. In the picture, we can see it's facing downwards, but so if I try to unscrew the air filter a little bit, it's gonna be loose, you know. Um, so for now, I'm just gonna leave it like that. So now I'm just going install the wheels, which is pretty easy. Um, this little piece of rubber, that's the one that's going to support the front of the compressor. So here you want to use a little piece of these things that came with the compressor to support um, the tank on this position so we can install this little piece of rubber. Okay guys, here finally we got our air compressor completely assembled. Um, what I want to show you right now is our first test. I'm going to show you, um, of course we're gonna start plugging in the compressor first, and then I'm gonna turn it on. But most important, I want to show you um, how fast or how quick the compressor loads from 0 to 120 psi. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this grinder and I want to see how much time until this compressor turns back on while I'm using this air tool. So just for your reference, this grinder is rated to 90 psi as we can see over here. So that's the pressure I'm going to set on my compressor. So as we can see, it took me about like I would say 15 seconds until the compressor turn, turns back on again. So now the test that I would like to show you is I'm going to use this app on my Apple Watch where we can calculate how many uh, decibels it's going on around the environment. So I want to use this app in order to figure out how much noise our compressor produces. So we can so I have about between 79 and 82 decibels. So just keep in mind, I believe this 55 decibels rate it means at 7 meters of distance, no next to the air compressor. That's something that we want to keep in mind. So guys, here you have it. This is the BILT HARD air compressor, 8 gallons, ultra quiet, oilless. So what can I say after doing all these tests? I love the compressor. It fits my needs. The features that I love about this compressor are um, it's basically maintenance free. Only thing you have to worry about is, draining the air compressor after each use, as I said at the beginning of the video. It's oilless, and it's very easy to move around the garage or anywhere. So that's something I love. Um, so yeah, it's quiet. It doesn't produce a lot of noise in comparison with another units on the market. But here you can see the draining valve that you want to open after each use. So yeah, the compressor is quiet, but personally, I would love if it can be a little bit quieter. But let's be honest, that's a great achievement these companies have made because this compressor they uses a motor, and on top of that, it doesn't require oil. So I mean, I'm I'm satisfied with this air compressor. I'm happy with it. Right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, because I'm gonna keep uploading more interesting content. Have a good day.